are looking at the creation, yes, from the Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. Yes, you're looking at two different types of fish here. Escovitch style, Jamaican style fried fish. You're looking at sliced fried fish, Escovitch style, Jamaican style on the Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. And you're looking at some regular, also Escovitch fish on the plate. Here I did two different types of Escovitch style fish. Here you have rice and peas, Jamaican style. Over here you have some shredded carrots with lettuce on the plate. And some special sweet yam. Yes, special sweet yam. The creation of one and only Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform in my cooking lab. Sweet potato made from scratch. Sweet potatoes with butter, with cinnamon powder and brown sugar. Yes, and here we have the sliced fish on this tray. All sliced fish here. Escovitch style, Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery on the YouTube platform. Yes. Two plates. One for my neighbor and one for myself. And up here I have the regular whole fish. Yes, these are all done here today in my cooking lab on the Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery TV on the